You should not make New Year resolutions. Why? Because waiting for January 1st to change your life isn't necessary, and let's be real, it's already the new year. Happy New Year! If you haven't started yet, that's okay. Real change isn't tied to a date. It's about the small, consistent actions you take no matter when you begin. How many times have you made big resolutions only to feel guilty a few weeks later and then we lose momentum? That's because transformation doesn't come from one big promise. It comes from taking small steps, meaningful steps every single day. And since this is my first video, I couldn't think of a better message to start with in 2025. What better way to introduce myself and this channel than a reminder that it's never too late or too early to start working on your goals. To get fit, take that 10 minutes walk today. Have a goal or dream. Write down one item now. Small steps might seem insignificant, but they're the building blocks of real lasting change. You do not need the perfect Monday, the perfect month, or even the perfect year to begin. You just need to start, and let me tell you something. Small action adds up. They create habits, and habits build lifestyles. So instead of making New Year's resolution, focus on this. What's one small thing you can do today? Forget the pressure of being perfect. Forget waiting for the right time. Just begin. Thank you so much for watching my very first video. I'm so excited to be starting this journey with you, and I can't wait to share more content about mindset growth and creating the life you want. Remember, real change doesn't happen on a specific date. It happens when you take the first step. And why not make that step today? Start today, start small. Real change begins with one step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, let's keep growing one step at a time. You have arrived with Priya Saini. Thank you. See you next time.